Did you know that making delicious cookies can be gluten-free and just as tasty as traditional ones? Let's discover how. The simple and delightful gluten-free sliced almond cookies recipe that anyone can make at home requires only 3 ingredients. All spices are optional. Begin by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, combine 1/3 cup of sugar with the egg white of just one egg. Of course, you can spice up your cookies with a teaspoon of cinnamon or vanilla extract. Whisk it all together and add 2.5 cups of sliced almonds. Mix until all almonds are covered with the egg and sugar mixture. On a baking sheet lined with a parchment paper or greased foil, using regular tablespoons, arrange the sliced almond mixture into your cookies. Make sure your cookies are consistent in thickness. If they are too high in the middle, you will end up with cookies that are undercooked in the center and burnt at the edges. This recipe will yield about 20 medium-sized cookies. Bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. Let your cookies cool down and harden before removing them from the parchment paper. To speed up the cooling process, you can slide the parchment paper with the cookies onto a table or a cooling rack. Remove your cookies from the parchment paper and they are ready to be enjoyed. These gluten-free sliced almond cookies can be stored in an airtight container for up to a week. But who are we kidding? They'll be very fortunate if they make it to the end of the day.